Hello everyone, welcome to Graceman Online Tutors. In this video, I'll be explaining how to solve this Olympiad question. We have solve for x if x equals the root of x raised to the power of root x. Alright, so to solve this, what we just need to do is to interpret what we have here. We have x is equal to x raised to power this root x. When you have root 2 is same thing as 2 raised to power half, so that means this is raised to the power of half, then multiplied by the power that we have here, which is root x. And now what we need to do now is we multiply these two powers together. Okay, remember the law of indices, okay, which says that whenever you have a raised to power x raised to another power, we are meant to multiply the two powers together. So I'm going to multiply the two powers, a raised to power x y. A raised to power x y, that is multiplying these two powers together. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm multiplying half and root x together. So when you do that, you have x equal to x raised to the power of the root of x over 2. Now, the next thing now is we have x here. This x is raised to the power of 1. And according to the law of indices, whenever we have a raised to power x to be equal to a raised to power y, it implies that x is equals to y. When the two bases are equal, the powers will be equal. So I'm going to make this power equal to this power. So 1 equal to the root of x over 2. So here we can just do a simple cross multiplication. When you cross multiply, you now have root x is equal to 2. So the next thing now is we are going to square both sides in order for us to remove the square roots on x. So square both sides, we now have x to be equal to 2 raised to power 2. Now what is 2 raised to power 2? That is 2 multiplied by 2. So therefore x is equal to 4. So the solution to this question is x equals to 4. Now let's check if this is true. Now if I have, let's check quickly. If I have x as 4, so that will be 4, substituting it here, root 4 raised to power root 4. So we say that 4 is equal to, the root of 4 is 2. The root of 4 is 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. So you can see that the solution is valid, as the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Also, by inspection, at the time you substitute your x as 1 as well into the equation, we discovered that the value of x is also equal to 1. Now let's try that. 1 is equal to the root of 1 raised to the power of the root of 1. So that 1 equal to 1 raised to power 1, 1 equals to 1. So the two valid solution to this question are that x is equals to 1 and x is equal to 4.